Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down and removing the battery and props, safety first. Next, connect the flight controller via USB and read boot messages to see errors. You should note the firmware version and last known good configuration because mismatches cause many faults. Once done, visually inspect solder joints and connectors under a magnifier to find cracked pads or cold joints. Make sure to record any serial port errors or LED blink codes. Those clues tell you where to focus troubleshooting next. You now back up your configuration and dump CLI parameters so you can restore settings if needed. Then reflash a known stable firmware build. Reflashing removes corrupted settings and driver mismatches. After flashing, restore only verified parameters to avoid reintroducing errors. Next, perform sensor calibrations, accelerometer, gyroscope, and compass, and then run ESC calibration for consistent motor response. Because sensors drift or map incorrectly, calibration aligns live measurements with expected behavior. You finish by doing a controlled bench test. Arm with props off, run motors at low throttle, and confirm spin direction and smooth RPM. Then validate RC inputs, fail-safe behavior, and that all pre-arm checks pass. These prevent in-flight failures. If problems remain, methodically swap components, receiver, ESC, or sensors to isolate whether the flight controller itself is faulty versus a peripheral issue. One key troubleshooting tip: use binary elimination and restore a minimal working configuration to quickly identify the guilty component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.